Hello students, I am Professor J.N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. In this lecture we are going to see about the cell cycle and cell division. Firstly we will see the cell cycle. In cell cycle there are some phases. First one is G1. During G1 phase, cell with chromosomes in the nucleus. You can see in this photo. Then S phase. During this phase, DNA synthesis and chromosome duplication occur. Then third phase is G2. You can see in this picture that is cell with duplicated chromosome during G2 phase. And last phase, that is mitosis or cell division, during which chromosome separates. This is about cell cycle. Now we will see about mitosis. Mitosis, the part of cell division which result in two identical daughter cells from a single parent cell. This is definition of mitosis. Cell division can be divided into stages, that is mitosis: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. We will see one by one. First one, interphase. During this phase, the cell prepares for division. DNA replicated, that is copied during this phase, then makes new organelles, that is synthesis. Then cell increase in size, that is growth. This is about interphase. These are the photographs of animal cell and plant cell during interphase. Then another phase is prophase. During this phase, the cell prepare for nuclear division. Chromosomes appear, then centrioles separate and spindle form. Nuclear envelope disappears. And longest phase in mitosis. This is longest phase in mitosis, that is prophase. These are the photographs of prophase in animal cell and plant cell. Then third phase is metaphase. The cell prepare chromosomes for division. Chromosomes line up at the middle of the cell. Spindle fibers attached to chromosomes at the centromere, and this is shortest phase of mitosis. These are the photographs of metaphase. Then next phase is anaphase. During this phase, the chromosomes divide. Spindle fibers pull chromosomes apart. One half of each chromosomes, called chromatid, moves to poles of cells. These are the actual photographs of animal cell and plant cell during anaphase. Then next phase is telophase. During this phase, the cytoplasm divides. In animal cell, DNA uncoils and appears as a chromatin again. Two nuclei form. Cell membrane pitches into form the two new daughter cells. And in plant cell, DNA uncoils and appear as a chromatin again. Two nuclei form. New cell wall forms between two nuclei to form the two new daughter cells. This is photograph of telophase and cytokinesis. These are the phases during which mitosis occur, that is interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and again interphase. Last phase is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm, creating two new cells. Begins in telophase. In animals, look for cleavage furrow. In plants, look for cell plate. Thank you. It is all about mitosis.